Not all gods ride lions or fly on eagles. Some walk beside us quietly, on four paws. In the silent shadow of Hindu myth, there lies a companion whose loyalty outshines warriors and whose presence guards the path between life and eternity, the dog. Long before the modern idea of pets and companionship, the humble dog walked silently beside gods, seers, and heroes of ancient Hindu lore. A creature of sharp instincts, night vision, and unwavering loyalty, the dog in Hindu mythology is not just an animal, it is a gatekeeper of destiny, a witness to truth, a companion of the soul, and a guardian at the threshold of worlds. One of the most moving tales comes from the end of the Mahabharata. The great king Yudhishthir, after losing everything and everyone, begins his final journey toward heaven. His brothers fall one by one, including Draupadi. But a dog walks with him. Silent, patient, loyal. When Yudhishthir finally arrives at heaven's gates, he is welcomed, but the dog is refused entry. No animals allowed, says the divine voice. Yudhishthir pauses. He has lost kingdom, kin, and comfort, but he has not lost his integrity. To abandon one who is loyal is a sin, he replies. I will not enter heaven without him. The dog then transforms, revealing itself to be Dharma, the god of righteousness, who has tested Yudhishthir for the last time. Here, the dog is not a beast, but the very symbol of truth and loyalty, reflecting the soul back to the seeker. In another realm of myth, the fierce form of Shiva known as Kal Bhairava appears. His constant companion and vehicle? A black dog. Bhairav roams the edge of life and death, where illusions fade, and the dog stands guard at his feet, unafraid, aware of realms humans overlook. Even in the ancient hymns of the Rigveda, we meet Sarma, the divine hound who retrieves the stolen cows of heaven from the forces of darkness. She is the seeker of light, the one who crosses boundaries, the mother of all dogs. Her offspring, the Salmayas, become the watchdogs of Yam, the god of death. They guard the path between worlds, one paw in life, the other in eternity. From Vedas to villages, the dog remains a symbol of devotion, protection, and truth. During Nepal's Kukur Tihar festival, dogs are worshipped with garlands and sacred marks, honored as guardians and family. In Vedic astrology, feeding a black dog is believed to calm the dark forces of Rahu and Ketu. The dog in Hindu myth isn't revered for its bark or breed, but for its spirit. It walks where gods have walked, guards the path unseen, and reminds us that loyalty is divine. If this journey stirred something in you, don't keep it to yourself, share it with someone who sees beauty in ancient wisdom. Like, comment your thoughts, and stay connected for more stories that walk the line between the seen and the sacred.